How to watch TikTok history. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok where you can view the reels. From this page, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, tap on Menu at the top right corner. Then, select the option Settings and Privacy from the bottom. Once you're in here, select the option Activity Center. Then, go to the option Watch History. Here, you can view all the watch history till date and even filter it by date. You can also delete the history from here. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and watch TikTok history. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.